Hi, I'm Paul with Modern DriveLine, your 5 and 6 speed conversion specialist. There's more to doing a transmission conversion than just the purchase of the transmission. This is where Modern DriveLine excels, having been doing this for over 21 years. We start here with the lower horsepower application aluminum bell housing. We can work all the way up to a QuickTime steel scatter shield style bell housing and support it many ways. Starting here, we have a GM style Muncie bell housing with an adapter ironically for a Ford T5 using mechanical linkage on your original GM car or truck. Over here is shown a T56 application and a QuickTime steel bell housing, and underneath that you'll notice we have a couple of different hydraulic bearing styles that we can support. Again, for all of these applications you have options of running hydraulic, mechanical linkage, or in some Ford applications, cable. You also see a display of a flywheel and a pressure plate. Modern DriveLine has specifically made billet steel flywheels for all of our applications that we can support, as well as in-house built Superior brand clutches for any application you need in all horsepower applications. And single disc and aftermarket twin disc clutches are also available. We're going to flip this here around in a moment and show you other components that Modern DriveLine has to offer, including these adapter plates for various applications.